Giving back means using your skills, time, knowledge, and resources to uplift others or positively impacting your community. It is not always about money. Sometimes it's about being present, offering support, sharing wisdom, or simply creating opportunities for others to grow. To me, giving back is a form of gratitude. It's a way of acknowledging the help of others who came before me by choosing to be the same help that they were to someone else. To answer your question, what I am giving back is my time through tutoring of other students, through mentoring others, through motivation by words and lived experience. Above all, it is about being intentional, and I believe that I am.